attended research meeting collaboration between Applied Sciences University and the Chinese Academy of Sciences. My conference paper is Structural Innovation of Agricultural Supply Chain from Farmers' Perspective. I'm the author, MEI MING. There are three serious problems in the traditional agricultural supply chain structure in China, namely the blockage of information channels and the poor transmission of information, the subordination of farmers and the slow distribution of network profits, the unstable contract and the loose supply chain. Among them, the first problem is a core problem. This paper attempted to design an innovative ASC structure to solve these problems. Firstly, from the perspective of farmers, this paper analyzes the agricultural sustainable development of network embedding and draws the following conclusions. With the increase and the deepening of farmers' network embedding relationship, farmers can obtain more effective information about the whole agricultural sustainable development and finally improve their profit distribution ratio. But how to increase this network embedding relationship? To solve this problem, we introduce the platform theory and consider redesigning ASC by embedding the integrated management information platform. Then, we made a mathematical analysis through the comparison of absolute value and relative value. We found that an innovative structure can not only increase the amount of effective information that farmers get from ASC, but also increase the total amount of information from all stakeholders and the proportion of farmers' information in the total amount of ASC information. In view of this, we believe that the innovation structure of ASC can effectively solve the problem existing the traditional ASC structure.